Okay, so I'm about to meet someone who I've been trying to link up with for a long time, for like the better half of this last year. There's shit on my lens. His name is VL Skate, that's his channel, and if you guys don't know, he's had several viral skateboarding videos on YouTube, and I've seen him in my comments and in John's comments since I started my channel, and we've been in contact throughout for a pretty long time, but we've just never actually met, and he was up here for the Do Tour and Agenda, and he's still here. Tomorrow's his last day, so he's staying somewhere with a ramp, like an Air BnB that has a mini ramp in the back, so I just showed up, and we're gonna skate it. Dude! What's up? How do I get in? Oh, okay. You guys can kind of see through right now. Dude, what's up? Have you been out here? What's up? Nice to meet you. How do you feel about being on camera? Are you fine being in? Because I know you don't.
I'm on camera all day.
I know. How are you, dude? Nice to meet you. No, you're fine. Okay, so this is the ramp that's in the backyard. Look at this. Like I was saying before my camera died, look at this ramp that's in the backyard. This is amazing. We just played skate in the worst possible place ever, right in the middle of this small mini ramp. Go over to VL Skate's channel to watch that. His channel's like right there in the description, down there, below his face. Hello everyone, this is just a brief interruption from our sponsors, Slammin' Worldwide. The new Slammin' Worldwide apparel, clothing, gear, fit, kits, etc. is available online. Link is in the description below. Buy now, click here, description below. Okay, I just got a street league. You guys, it is so hot. When you're on a motorcycle, when it's like over, I think, 85 degrees, the air that is coming at you is no longer cooler than the actual air. The wind chill reverses, so it becomes hot air coming at you, and it's so hard to ride in. I'm at Street League. It's right there in front of me. I'll show you in a second. Garrett's here, and some other friends that I have are here. I have never been to one, so this is the first time.
Hi, can I see you?
Yeah, thank you.
I also have hospitality wristband for you.
Oh, cool, thanks.
Enter through these doors right here to your left, and here's some drink tickets.
Oh, thanks.
All the way over. Wow. Walking up some speeding, yeah. Was it Manny Santiago, of course? Hey, bumps out, Martinez.
And then he does the paper on that. And then back three.
Check it out. He's bringing it this time.
update leaving. I actually left because I have a ton of shit to do tonight. It was really hectic in there, so I like didn't really pull my camera out except for just the skating portion. But that's all we really care about anyways, right? Here's the deal. Dave and Jenny really wanted to go to the abandoned mall. We didn't get a chance to do that because we were running around Agenda and Do Tour all day. It is now dark time, aka nighttime, aka 10 o'clock. It's 10 p.m. We are now going into the abandoned mall with Dave and Janithra. Show your face. Let's go. This is what we have to climb through to get in. This is scary because it's very dark in there. I've never been here at night. I made so many videos here. I love coming here. We gotta figure out who's going in first. I might as well.
Or I can get in first and you can hand me the camera and then you can help Jenny get up. Either way, I don't mind going in first or you go in first.
Watch the other side because there's nails. There's nails like sticking in this wall, so just be careful. Careful.
Ooh.
Give me that phone. Stand on me, stand on me. Stand on me. I got you. Oh my.
Be careful.
Careful, don't hit the nails. Careful. Feel the nails. Hurry up. Get on. Oh my god.
Wait, sorry.
It's alright. Can you reach it? Got it. Go, 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 go. Watch the nails, watch the nails. Hey, take this. Oh my god, bro, my fucking arms are so dead. This is the door. All right. Guys, this is really creepy. This is creepy. All right, let's go. Kind of crazy. I'm kind of terrified. Do you want me to hold it? Should we do a 24-hour challenge? Over there, point it over there.
There is something reflecting.
This is what I dropped in on. Do you want to go up there and look at it? Dude, okay, a lot of people were saying they're like, well, not even a lot of people, but there was a couple. Everyone else was like, yo, this is really gnarly. But some of the people were like, yo, that's not even that gnarly. This is why it's gnarly though. Look at this.
I know, I saw.
You hit this and then you have to drop off.
I know.
That's why it's gnarly.
Yeah, I heard it.
You heard that?
Yes.
I heard it.
You heard that?
Yes.
Was it in here?
Yes.
Should we go up?
It was up here to the left.
I'm kind of scared.
Yeah, I've got chills.
I kind of don't want to go upstairs anymore because those sounded like gunshots.
If it was a gunshot, it would have been way louder.
That's true.
If that was a gunshot, that might have been fireworks.
Could have been.
Because it's 4th of July, you know? All right, well, hey, look, someone go up and I'll walk behind you and I'll face this way so we can keep a lookout.
What? I'm going in the middle of you guys,
That's
so
what I'm
it's
saying. Dave,
totally...
you go that way and I'll be in the back. So you go up.
Okay, I gotta pee.
I'm going to pee off this story.
I gotta piss too.
Here, let's
Well-
pee off the story.
I'm standing next to you guys while you pee, so go for it. You can't leave me.
Did you hear that?
I fucking heard it. Sounded like somebody stepped on a piece of wood.
Where do you think the hot topic was?
What? Do I have to take the lead?
Yeah, bro, you're the biggest.
Oh my gosh.
Did you hear that? All right, you guys, we're hearing like... Where? Over there?
Yeah.
Nuh-uh.
There's still beer in it.
You guys, this is creepy as fuck. I'm like the only one watching our backs.
Really creepy if those are next.
Oh god. I don't want to, I try not to read that kind of shit.
Can we go soon?
Yeah, I'm down. So this is pretty creepy. I think we're gonna get going soon. Just because we're not only hearing noises, but I mean, obviously you're gonna hear noises in places like this, especially at nighttime. You're gonna kind of get freaked out, but rather not take the chance. Are we gonna leave? Is that what we're doing? Or do you
No, I
feel
don't think we leave yet. Been there a lot more to see.
okay? I mean, this place is huge.
Let's go look around. Let's try to find the hot topic.
Jenny was like, let's get the fuck out of here. Okay, I think we're really hearing shit now. I totally just heard
What? Are you kidding me? Shit. Noise happens.
Yeah.
It's a little creepy.
Oh shit, really? Don't say that, you're freaking me out now.
I'm sorry.
Okay, well,
I was trying not to say it when I said I wanted to go the first time.
Okay, well, let's leave.
Yeah, I'm done.
That's not blood, dude. It's not.
That's fucking blood. Something ate something here.
Yeah, I'm good.
Oh, that's a cat?
That's some kind of critter.
Yeah.
Did you fucking hear that?
Yes, I'm ready to go. I told you I'd revived and then we found blood.
Holy shit.
Is this blood? What is it?
I don't know.
I think we can kick that wood down.
Okay.
Yeah, let's do that. What'd you say?
I thought the exit was over here.
I'm good. I think we can kick that wood down. Okay, yeah, so we're leaving because we just allegedly saw a big pool of blood. I can't remember if we saw that the last time we were here. Me and Future Mom were just here 2 weeks ago, and I feel like we saw that, and we were like, that's blood. But then we were like, no, it's not. They shoot movies here, dude. Like, this is owned by something.
Oh.
Like, they shoot, that's why this is still here, because they do, like, Red Bull rally races and stuff like that.
They do?
Yeah. You want to just kick that shit open or what? We can easily kick that shit open.
Yeah, let's do it. You probably have stronger lips.
Fuck, I got a heel bruise though. Okay, that's really loud.
Yeah.
I'll give it one kick.
Wow. Wow. All right.
You gotta kick through the wall.
Good job, Dave. Jesus Christ. That was crazy. All right, well, that was fun, but also really scary. It was pretty terrifying. I know Dave just kicked the door, but that was an easy fix. All you gotta do is nail that shit. That is crazy. That is, oh yeah, for sure. Someone's totally gonna complain.
Oh, yeah, we totally destroyed the property.
Destroyed the property
Sorry,
of a place
guys,
already
I
run
kicked in
down.
the door, but we didn't want to climb that wall with nails sticking out of it.
Dude, that and someone could easily, all you have to do is nail that back in.
Yeah.
But it's really crazy that was only held in by nails. You guys, I want to thank you so much. The last Slam and Drop has been a huge success. A lot of stuff has sold. A lot of stuff is gone. The hats are all gone. I don't know if I'm gonna restock them. Depends on how high the demand is for them. And also, all the stuff is going quick. So if you would like to get something, grab it while you can, because I'm not gonna make any of this stuff ever again. But that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was a lot more raw than usual. I finally got through all the footage that I gathered while Do Tour was going on and Agenda and Dave was out here. So I'm gonna be pumping a lot of fresh videos for you guys this week. I've got something big planned because we're about to hit 100,000 subscribers. Probably by tomorrow or the next day, I'm probably gonna hit 100,000 unless everybody decides to unsubscribe, which I don't blame you if you do. Just kidding, don't do that, please. I do have something planned. I'm still almost undecided if I wanna go through with it or not. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.